Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see some basic tools in the Catia. So let's start with part design. Mm, yeah, so the part design is ready now, and one thing I have changed here is geometrical set that we were using in the last video. We were using the hybrid model, I think so. Yeah, enable hybrid design, but we have changed to the create a geometrical set. It will show the geometrical points of our design. So let's go with the XY plane. Go here for the sketch. So we are in the sketch workbench. So what we can see here is uh, let me design something first. What we can do, we can go with like this. Okay, and one thing more we can, what can we do is uh, uh, what can we do, let's just exit from here and pad, give some pad to this. The current in work object isn't in a body. The new solid feature is created after the of the forward. Okay, so here we are going to give it okay, so it will convert into the part body. So here we can see the sketch one, the design that we have made with the geometrical part, and the part body that we have padded out. Okay, so now what we can see here is today what we are going to see was the tools, some of the tools that we need to check first. So for that, what was the, yeah, this one, isometric views. So let me pull out this. So as we can see here, there are a lot of views in here. So first one was the isometric view, that it can change into the isometrical shape. Any part body will be converted, will be viewed in the isometrical view. This one is the front view. So if you click on here, it will show the front view of the object. It will show the just opposite back view of the object, side view, the other side, the top view, and the bottom view. And the last one is, if you hover over here, it's not showing any name. Yeah, named views. So if we named any of the object, it will show like that. So let's see. um, there are a lot of features in here. Also there is a this is called the, I think, yeah, the shaded views. So if we click over here, nothing changed because it will show us as a product. If you go with the shading with edges, it will show all the edges of the body that we have designed. If you go with the shading with edges without smooth edges, so if there will be any smooth edges that we have created, it will hide that. So these are some basic designs, okay, designing tools that we have seen. There is a material, apply material. So if you go with this, a dialog box will appear in it, where in here a lot of materials are available. If we go with the wood, whatever material we want to apply over this, it will be available here. So fabrics, metal, other painting, shape reviews, stones, wood. If we go with the fabric one, let's see, is there any nylon or anything? Yeah, yes, the nylon. Let's apply over here. So the nylon is apply material. If we go with the leather, apply material. It's not saying why, I don't know. That's it, okay. So basically these are the sums of the things, and they are measuring between. If we select this, there are a lot of things in here we can go with. So if we go with the part, and the opposite part is this one, so it will show us, let me zoom out. Yeah, it's a 20 mm. And if we go with cancel it, go with another. So if we go with this side to this side, it will show the distance between these two faces, so 200 mm. And there's a lot of geometrical shapes that we can go with, edge only, surface only. In these, the geometry infinite, sorry, the picking point only, it will show the distance between 2 points. Edge only, it will show the distance between two edges. It will show in the surface only, it will show the distance between two surfaces. Product only, it will show the distance between two products that we have designed in a same workbench. So these are some that we can go with. Okay, in here there are three or four different kinds of. There is measuring between the chain mode, it is measuring between the fan mode, it is the measuring item. If you go with this, what we can do, area is 0.04 meters square. It's showing the area. So there's a lot of fundament, uh, actually the what we call this. Okay, and one thing what I forgot to tell in the last videos were that we do not need these three, we can go with our mouse too. So uh, for zoom in and zoom out, what we will do, we will just press the middle mouse button, once click the right key and drag up or down to down for zoom out, up for zoom in. Okay, this one was this one. Okay, and for translation motion, what we will do, we will just click the middle mouse button and uh, what was that, yeah, the middle mouse button and drag it anywhere, it will translate from one place to another, that means the pan. And for the rotational, that means this one, what we will do, we will just click the middle mouse button and click, sorry, we will click the middle mouse button and hold, and then click the right mouse button and hold, and then start rotating it. It will start rotating. We can change the point where from where we want to rotate the object. So for that, what we can do, we can go with the part body, and or we can just click over here and reframe on. It will get that point where we have clicked as the center point of the material, and it will rotate along with that point. Okay, so these are some basic things that we have left in the last video. And what we can do today for more thing is, uh, we have seen several working. Let's see the chamfer and the fillet in this. So for that, let me rotate this like this and go with the chamfer tool, and let's click over here, give it a dimension of 20 mm. Let's preview this. It is previewing here in the green line. If we hit OK, it will be chamfered. Okay, and for let's see the fillet one. For this one, sorry, this one was the fillet and this one is the chamfer. So for that, let's select what we have to select, this one face and this one face, and let's preview. It's not showing. Why? Because we have to select the edge. Let's see, 45 degree. Yeah. Let's preview it. Hit OK. Bring it to center, zoom it. Yeah, it's quite small, but it's done. So these are some basic tools and features that we have forgot to see in the last video. So that's I think that's all for today, I think so. And we can see the sketch geometry or constraint things over here. We have to constrain all the parts such that it will be fully constrained drawing a design that we have drawn. So never forget to do that, because it is very necessary for a designer to know that there should be a fully constrained design that we are designing. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.